Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Ethernet speed capped at 100 Mbps on Windows 11, 10. First method is open Control Panel. Open Network and Sharing Center. Select Speed and Duplex. Change to Auto Negotiation. Second method is Open Control Panel. Select Speed and Duplex. Change to 1 Mbps full duplex. If network is disconnected or speed is reduced to 100 Mbps, change network cable in between modem to computer. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.